बेटा, तुम बैठो, मैं तुम्हारे लिए खाना ले आती हूँ।
एक बड़ा मेनकोन बिल्ली नीली शर्ट पहने शहर की सड़कों पर खाना तलाश कर रही है, मगर उसे कुछ नहीं मिलता और वो गमगीन हो जाती है।
In this enchanted wilderness, every step abandoned and afraid, the small kitten was left to the mercy of the unforgiving jungle. Bound by the cruelty of another, the innocent kitten could only whimper in despair as the jungle watched silently.
Where are they? Sarah! Sarah! Where are you?
He was just here. I only turned my back for a second. Please, you have to find him.
We'll do everything we can.
मेरा बेटा गुम हो गया है.
Get out of my face right now!
Sharing this simple bread, a parent's love nourishes more than just the body. It feeds the soul and strengthens the deepest of bonds.